Today we'll do a different type of video since coins are starting to bottom out. We can look at opportunities as to where we can accumulate some positions. So today we're going to start off with Solana on a weekly basis. You can see that after the local top, we've already sold off and we're actually sitting right on previous support over here. You can see this wick to this wick kissing each other. Now we are starting to grind out support, but on a weekly time frame basis, a little bit lower than where we're at currently is possible. So we're at 140. So let's go to daily time frame. So on daily, you can see we're sitting on support, kind of similar like to this bull flag over here. It came and rested on EMAs and then got some upside again. Well, this is what's happening again. And you can even see the inverse head and shoulder that's beginning to form with higher lows starting on the daily closes. So finding a decent amount of support here at $134 is logical for Solana. And then from there, if we want to get some upside, we can probably test into the 170s. Before we find more resistance, and a little bit of consolidation in between the 130 to 170 is logical. I'm going to turn on the indicators that we've had already on this. So originally we were looking for that short over here around 200. We were trying to build it into this distributional top. That's already over. We were looking for a pullback into the accumulation area of the 110. You already got the drop, but it didn't get all the way down to 110. It stopped around 118. That's totally okay. As long as we have open and closes above 134, I'm looking for upside continuation. So I'm going to delete this. I'm going to delete this. All this stuff is no longer needed. And this is what we were working with moving forward. Did I take off the other side? Yeah. Okay. And yeah, this was the accumulation channel. If you saw this on a higher time frame, the reason why we had that was looking left. That was a previous consolidational area. We can remove that now because it's useless. And this is what we're working with now. Okay. So what we want to see is obviously holding above 135. But once we get above 145, we can probably look for consolidation to 180. So anyone who's looking to pick up a position here at the 135 area, your first TP should be 160, 170, 180. Every $10, I would ladder my exit on the take profit situation. If you're trying to get in this position, yes, I understand you're trying to get into this 130 area, but you should be ready all the way down to 100. It can easily get into those levels to shake out as many people on these wicks as possible. And retesting these wicks is a logical presumption, coming into the 120, low 110 area. It's a buying opportunity, okay? So don't consider it a bearish situation. And yeah, I mean, like this, all this can be removed. You don't really need any of this stuff anymore. You don't even need this expanding. There you go. This is as simple as you need to have it, okay? And now you could go down to a lower time frame, such as 4 hour, and you could revisit that 130 area, and you could see that 130 area is very, very solid support. If we actually go to retest it, the goal is to make an inverse head and shoulder, so you don't want to go lower than this low over here, okay? Oops, that was ugly as heck. You don't want to go lower than this level right here. This right here is the bullish order block that needs to be defended. As long as this little block gets defended, upside is more than likely in from this area here. And then more than likely, you're probably going to retest your resistance, which is over here. So what is this? 170, 180, and the goal is to pick it up before 130. I mean, 140 to 130, this $10 range, and almost a $20, $30 move from there. So that's the possibility for Solana. And that's just one asset. Solana is not my favorite project, but I'm just giving you an example of why I would be looking for that long opportunity on this asset. It is grinding out the lows, and as long as you put in a higher low over here, upside from 130, 140 to 170, 180 is very logical and probable. If you do the math on that, that's about, dang, is it 20%? Yeah, almost 20% move with no leverage, mind you. And that's like if you got in right now and you held it for that move. So Not bad, not bad. Well, that's basically all I have for you guys today. If you guys are interested in material like this moving forward, please feel free to join our Discord server. The link to the server is in the description of this video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that I use and recommend that helps this channel grow, so thank you so much. If you have any questions or concerns, leave it in the comment section below, and I will get back to you in the next video. And last but not least, if you could leave a like, subscribe, press the bell button for notifications, and share this video to other like-minded individuals, I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much, and I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day, trade safe, be careful. Weekly closes around the corner. All right, bye-bye.